My country people, the Masaloto, wanna come good. This one, not general. Masatapang Ivo. Tanku, we don't come again for Kantori with Wana. When Sabise would already come close to victory, now we deny for hold the victory. So far, we don't win Sote La Republic, it don't engage in two kinds of propaganda. The first propaganda, and I said they don't send out press releases. Oh, May 20, no day. Oh, you guys should come up on May 20. Oh, there should be a massive turnout. No May 20, 2018. As of last year, we boycotted. This year will be a Mami Water boycott. No May 20, 2018. That means that this Sunday, make everybody come out and stay for house. Make anybody not even going for church, no May 20. That means that any picking, not even show your head for outside. One, take this opportunity for call on every family, every mommy, if you did diaspora, call everybody to stay at home and stay safe. Massive boycott, massive civil disobedience, and massive ghost town on Sunday this week. That means that Sunday, we are remembering and we are mourning our dead people. Everybody wear black and stay at home. Contrary to any decision from La Republic, no one should go out on May 20. That is final. It is a boycott, peaceful civil disobedience, and peaceful ghost towns. Number 2 point. La Republic don't engage in another kind of propaganda. That means that they don't pay local newspapers them for write, for discourage one about our leaders them. Say, oh, FBI, they come, who can catch Tapang. Oh, FBI, they come, who can catch the one. Oh, they go for this site. Oh, they go come for this site. That is a lie. Since when did Guardian Post newspaper start reporting even before CNN? That means that all these big newspaper organizations where they do for US, they never know about them. Then a Guardian Post, small local paper where they never get 200 for your coffers, they don't come out and report them. That is what we call paid journalism, gombo journalism, soli as in Ghana, paid gombo journalism. So you should be very, very keen to spot out those propagandas. La Republique is simply doing that to discourage you from following your leaders, from understanding that your leaders are not even immune in the countries where they are. We are very immune. We are working within the law. We are trying to even be more organized than any other country that ever ran a revolution. We are not calling for the killing of our brothers and sisters. We are not calling for the maiming of children, women, and girls. We are calling for self-defense. We are calling for a coup against Mr. Paul Biya Bartholomew Bimvondo, the terrorist, the tyrant, the dictator. We are calling for all soldiers in La Republique and in Ambazonia to turn the weapons against Mr. Paul Biya and oust that person who has been in power for nearly 40 years and who is clocking 90 in the next few years. Somebody who has been in power for nearly 40 years as a president. We are calling for every little soldier in Ambazonia and La Republique to oust him from power, to topple his regime, to kill his regime, to kill the regime that kills its own citizens. We are calling as citizens, right owners in our own land, our own Ambazonia. We are calling those soldiers to defect. Either you come and join the Ambazonia military, or you turn those weapons against the terrorist, Mr. Paul Biya. We shall not accept terrorism. We shall not accept anything that is contrary to democracy, the rule of law, and human rights. For that reason, there will be no elections year 2018 in Ambazonia. That is standard, that is clear, that is final. Elections shall not hold because the conditions to prepare for elections are not there. That means there is no free, fair elections in Ambazonia. Mr. Paul Biya is already a natural candidate for La Republique. Ambazonia already has a right to self-determination, which is in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and we want a statehood on our own. We are backpedaling. That means we are doing what we call backward induction to go back to 1961 and have our British Southern Cameroons. We have a country, we have 8 million people, most of whom have been internally displaced by the atrocities of Mr. Paul Biya. They are currently sleeping in bushes. My people, we feel so much for you, and that is why we've sacrificed, that we shall fight. We should use every diplomatic, legal, and international channel to channel our petition for the rescue of Ambazonia, for the rescue of our women and children. We shall see how our women and children shall come back to the towns, occupy their homes. We shall build good schools, good bridges, good everything for you so that you can live comfortably. Until then, we have the right to self-determination, self-defense, and self-protection. Self-defense and self-protection. And the last point, ghost towns will be on Sunday. That means it's Sunday. Now, maximum ghost town. Nothing more, nothing less. Nobody steps his feet or her foot out of Ambazonia on that day. It is massive ghost town, complete. Don't listen to any order from any governor, any colonial governor, colonial administrator. We don't recognize them. Listen to orders from only us in the diaspora. Listen to orders. Our boys and our Ambazonia soldiers are out to protect you. They will never ever kill women and children. We will not stand with anybody who kills women and children or his fellow brother and sister. We're standing for self-defense against La Republique terrorists. Those people called soldiers. We are standing for self-defense against them. Also, Monday shall be a massive ghost town. Ghost town then are only for Monday during the week. That means that the other weeks them, the other days them, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you know get ghost town. Now only Monday next week gets ghost town. Sunday this week get ghost town because on 20th May. Monday next week get ghost town because we want assembly for the rest of the days them, make people that live free, they get businesses, they run activities, they rebuild their economic lives and all that. So be very keen on that. Once more, your leaders in the diaspora are very safe. La Republique's Atanganji is engaging in a series of propaganda campaigns to keep you on a tense atmosphere, to start wondering if this leader will be arrested or not. None of us have been arrested. The FBIs are too intelligent and wise. They will not even leak out a secret if they have one. When they want catch Osama bin Laden, they be announced them for local newspapers them. No. So why they want catch we would in America? They go to announce that for La Republique. That is La Republique propaganda. Stay safe. God bless you. We are all here to protect you. We are all here to guide you according to the law. We are all here to bring forth a statehood that will be the best democracy in the entire Africa. A statehood called Ambazonia, the newest country in Africa. Stay on point, stay clear, and we shall be there to deliver the goods as promised. My name is General Ivo, Master Tabang Ivo. Tanko, una bye-bye.